stupid man. Mama will not be. He keeps bringing bad name to this family.
Mama, I still think it's only a peaceful dialogue that can make him come back to his senses.
Massive point.
Secondly, Mama, I don't want to lose you. This man is very dangerous. He's capable of killing you.
Hey! Kill me! Muadifa! He can't do it. He cannot kill me. Listen, Mom, I have my own plans. Yes, by the time I arrest him for child abuse, he will spend a long time in jail. By the time he will come back, he will be a calmer person. Hi. He doesn't deserve that title. I will take it away from him. Yes. This is a man that for a long time no woman looked his way. Now all of a sudden all the women are clamoring around him. One name walking part two. But if he tries that nonsense around me, what has it got to do with us? Chalum Kambia. What is it?
Oh my God. Dikeh. Who be the victim? My old boy don't hit target. Onye ko onyaji. Huh? My third eye. My second spirit. Don't hit target. Ogumaga.
What is Ogumagala and how can it be your spirit?
Don't worry. You will soon know. Come. See. I'll go carry from orphanage. Now 2 things you go do for my house. You go be my pikin. You go be my wife. Gene monka. You go take care of me when I old. To all my voice. What did you hear? They go to come out. See any good food for me, do everything. As you be my pikin, I gotta carry you. As you be my wife, I gotta still carry you. Don't go right? Clear?
Yes.
Hi. Ma, are you okay?
Yes.
I'm fine. Where is it? Where is it? Ebezi Koba, where is it? Where is it?
Hi, Mama.
You think you have escaped this time, okay?
Hey.
You can run, you can hide. But Malupa, Nanu Banata, Echibonta, I will get you. Let's continue with what we're doing. Like bring me to this village of witches. I'm tired of saying this village. What kind of animal is that? Witches everywhere. All the villages were witches. Here you check. Where are you going? Don't enter that bathroom, because I'm going there to have my bath. In why?
Who do you think you are to tell me not to take my bath or not? Eh? Are you the owner of this house? Are you? Old woman like you.
Are you chick?
Are
you talking to me?
Old woman, that's what you are. Old woman.
I'm from old woman.
Yes.
You from old woman?
You are old woman.
Did you call me old woman?
Yes.
You are. I don't know what came over me. Amaromi fame that made me beat that girl. I didn't even realize what I was doing. Or just one minute sit in TBA. Hey! Chim. Hey.
Mama, are you okay?
This. Hey! Chimo!
Mama, what is it?
Amarom. It's biting me. Ay! Mama. Get me water. Million.
Are you part of this confusion? Oh my God. Now talk to me. Talk, Adama Kuja, talk. Go call police for me. Why? Okay, so they can take over all the land. What did you do? Okay, you don't already strike him. So make I tell you, I'm not the joke. Take over everything. I'm not 1 year story. If you try him, if you try him, I'm not going to help you with you. Exactly. This is what I want you to do. Yeah, do it. Do it.
Daddy.
Abushimba, Otelebe, Otelezera, Abushina, Bushidinjo, Abushibotele, Otela Muraka, Abushimba, Otelezera, Abushina, Bushidinjo, Abushibotele, Otela Muraka.
Dada, you know I like wine. See, Daddy,
Uncle Tobias, please. I'm begging you in the name of God. Anything your sister has done to you, please forgive her.
Who is your sister?
She's dying. My mom is dying. Please save her. Uncle Tobias, please.
I don't know who you're talking about.
Uncle Tobias, this is your sister we're talking about.
That thing. I think I'll tell you. Get up.
Dikeh is crying, no.
See, what you go if I do, not for you to run into my arm. Run into my arm. Enter here. Do what you're supposed to. Now go make me forgive him for the good things I don't do for him. See, person will want to kill me, nice to make I go state. Yeah?
Tobias, okay. Starting from today, I'll be doing anything you want me to do.
We'll do everything.
Please.
Nonsense. Tamuza.
Just help me save her. Please, I'm begging you. Let's take her to clinic somewhere, anywhere that
Clinic? Where the money?
Let me check. I think she has some money.
What?
can't find the money where she kept it. Let's treat her first. When she gets better, she will pay you everything.
Uncle
Tobias, please, Ndiko. You can't do this to your sister.
Papa, leave her alone.
Uncle Tobias, please.
Daddy, see you later. Daddy.
See this clothes. You know, say, if I begin carry this cloth go market, nobody go buy from my hand. I beg now you go sell them for me, I beg. I'll give you commission.
Why you dey sell your property? Wait. So you want tell me say you no fit see food chop again, abi?
But when they feed 5 people plus myself, now is it in? Or the fetcher?
So wetin I dey hear na true? So you dey go around dey adopt people wey no get mama and papa for this village and na girls?
Make I tell you, go tell you get there. Make they thanking God. Make they can't even thank me. So they feed their motherless baby.
No, see, nobody they blame you. But the cuckoo there be say, why be say na only anything with the underskirt that you dey adopt?
So na man I go carry before. Me, go carry man. So when you grow up, you know say when you go carry man, when you grow up you go begin beat you. You don't know? Even the wife when they marry for house, they begin sleep with them because they not be their biological mother or even sister. You don't get that one? Even your girlfriend, if your girlfriend come house, they go snatch and come over your hand. Let me go carry man. See what's happening now? Why I go carry man? Leave women. I be homo.
Ajono, you know be homo. Na bad mat na him go kill you.
Nonsense.
Okay, see, what of all these small children? When they 13 years, when they 10 years, now that one way Oyibo people they call crime of the highest order.
Okay. Before you go make rice, you go first of all make corn. Go sell this stuff for me. Go sell my give me commission. Go sell them. Got it.
One more thing. What I want to tell you be say they won't do riot for you for this community. All the council of chief and elders, then they do meeting today and they say make I can't tell you. Now what make me come for the first time? No be say make I go the same club.
And at the same message make go meet them. If they try me, all the people when they say coffee for here, they go say market. All the people when they say coffee, when they make new coffee for here, they go say market. Trust me.
I know you now. I know say it be shrine where they work at. When I go job, you the bad person now. I don't go.
Out them.
Abrisi, what is it?
They come out. Don't you baptize me.
I regret baptizing you. You grew worse with it. Say what you want to say because I have a lot of things to do inside.
Father, I come for confession. You don't allow me. Father, that was not dodging. Yesterday, when all of us kneel down, when they give us food of God, communion, you reach where there, you jump me, You are the person. Father, that one na Pasha. And because of that one, I cover you with the blood of Jesus.
I assumed you innocent. Until I had all kinds of talks about your evil deeds. I investigated you privately and I found out you're not worthy to be with us here as a parishioner.
You investigate me?
Yes.
Secret. So I be secret.
How many girls are you keeping in your custody? I heard that you abduct and abuse underage orphans to the extent that you abducted a 10-year-old girl for your sexual satisfaction.
Father, is it bad thing for somebody to carry somebody picking go train?
Those children, they have relations. Did you ask for the permissions of their relations before you adopted them?
You hear their voice, you hear their parents talk? In Rwanda?
I have a lot of things to do.
Father, it doesn't say the judge. Bible does say thou shalt not judge, so that you shall not be judged. Eh?
Abusi, we cannot watch you do evil under the guise of a parishioner or communicant. We will not.
You judge me.
Have you finished? I told you I don't have time with you.
Father, you're judging me. Because of that, Father, I'll drop out all of thing for here and not belong again. See this one. Come and carry everything. Bible na me by myself. What will I give me? Look up for my house. I don't drop in a Tobias for now. I carry my abus. Baum.
The heart of man is filled with evil and wickedness, spreading death and destruction. But we thank God there is no peace for the wicked. Nothing past God.
My fellow elders, Agbisi has taken too much. You need to be stopped.
How?
I want us to disgrace Agbisi.
Disgrace Agbisi?
Yes.
How?
We should banish him from Igede.
Eyuchi could be said to be a matured woman. But what about little Nena and Doris? That is where my problem is. So,
Agbisi need to be caged. No sons of Igede is greater than Igede. Where is him now? I know he will not answer us. But it's obvious. If he refuses to come to us, we will go to him.
Mbao! Mansoje! Not me. I will not follow you there. Agbisi, Mba.
Goodbye. Okay, let me. Who called this meeting?
I just come.
You just come. See, the church don't collect their things. You know, if you see scapular or chaplet on my neck again. Bible and everything, they don't carry everything. They hear me, sir? No problem. I'm going to ask who called this meeting?
Agbisi, I come at the road there. I told them to leave you alone, but they will not listen.
Wait me.
I hear say you dey vex. Say you dey vex for the children when they my place. But you never come tell me for face. You get luck. Get luck. I don't forgive you and your other toothless bulldogs when I did they do this. But I dey warn anybody when walk enter my compound and talk nonsense or see me follow stop me. You go more when some. You two when more. I don't drop on a Tobias. Go back to Abus. Immense. Wasas yagis. Where they look on? It's in web. When you're back when I go, I cannot. More don't.
I warned you. Did I not warn you?
My friend, shut up your mouth. Do you think I'm a coward?
Oh.
I don't want to say anything.
I don't want to keep it. That's Abusi now. Why didn't you follow him? Yeah, then Anambem.
Anambem. No matter your juju, there is God. Nothing past God.
Please it is so people will not drink.
No, but me come. Mama.
Let me taste.
Small.
Don't finish the fish. Are you enjoying it?
Let me tell you.
This
kind of treatment, eh? Anybody will wish me unless 70 years na witch. Any man. When they torture the way and they torture me, not just think about 70 years. I'll be 800.
200 safe.
Or more. You get the man. Obum be where the nobi. Obum be where the nobi. One more barak bata. Boni bata. Mana, you see father. See father against you. No one know how, eh? You see father, eh? Father said, must follow. I'll take a close here. Very nice, Mika.
Daddy.
Hey!
Are you okay, Daddy? What is it? Daddy?
Ogumaga. Oda Nanjo. Me.
The youth and people of Ike, they are along the road singing a war song.
They are singing war song.
And they are singing it with your name.
Beg one more here.
Daddy, slow down.
What you lose? What you lose? Iwe mena kwe.
All these things I show how mercy.
I will say, go for the bill. You are finished. Shut up. Oh, you will not go for shut up, or you use your two eyes and see your head on the ground. Come on there. Go there.
Hey, Chai,
Zigazi, wana chai kama. Igana zigazi, iwo wana chai kama. Zigazi, wana chai kama. Wangede zigazi, iwo wana chai kama. Mama, call your power to the answer. I'm not tell you. When I run the goal relegation, smart time now I will see all that team will relegate to now. Do na for better one day. I'm not tell you before. I feel forgive them, but go for go. You. None of them are from some service accounts. Others will succeed, but you. Only one neighbor bump it.
The heart of man is filled with evil and wickedness, spreading death and destruction. But we thank God there is no peace for the wicked.
Yeah?
Where the follow me go?
Your house, not the house you dey go. If not because of cola or the drink where you go give me, make you no one complete the journey to your house. Don't worry yourself because I know even they bothered. And I know.
I got that. I'm not saying this one will follow me. Insult no go damn.
Insult you for waiting. Waiting go make me insult you. Waiting I go tell you now where be new thing again where people no know for this our land. Say you be bad person. Now new thing. People no know say you be bad person. Eh? You go adopt a woman, carry woman keep, carry all this small pikin wey still dey breastfeed, keep for this place. Na new thing, everybody know. Even a blind person, they see am. Deaf, they hear. You know I don't come talk say you wear devil clothes. Even the one where they pay me pass now be say they carry church, they cover. They do all the things where they hey.
Look at that.
Abos.
No.
Eh?
No.
Ndi alawa.
Na una.
Anyway, na the highest way go do me to tell me say make I come out for your compound because I know say you no go do me anything. But my warning why they give you na make you remove hand for all these bad things wey they do. Go exile where you go live your life. Jeje. You know? Come go. No problem. But you see this judgment now where they come. If this judgment come visit you, you go pack your leg up. You no go see road come out. It's alright, no problem. I go leave. Shebi na leave. I go leave. But it's alright, no problem.
Uncle Tobias, please. Save my stepmom. Please, I'm begging you in the name of God Almighty.
Hey, my name may be Tobias again. Call me Abbas. What for it? Eh? Sack belly. When I go appease the land for the simple go succeed them. No, man, no them.
Hey! Tobias, please.
Get up. Please. Get up. Get up and get out. Okay.
If I say you na kunshi, I got to work in a kunshi. Hey! You don't go come on hand for bad things. Idiot. Okay.
Daddy, we are hungry. Yes.
Why are you looking like that? Huh? Why are you looking like bingo like that? Oh yeah. Yeah, look, in the house. Some milk, some wash plates. Clean house. Some get the wash cloth. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, in the house. Hey.
Mami Bugo, you've killed me, Mama. This is not what I bargained for. I'll have to defy your pride and plead with Tabosi to save you.
I would rather die
God forbid, Mama, me, stay and watch you die. God forbid. You won't leave me halfway, Mama. I'll have to do anything I can to save you. Please.
No, yeah.
Why you cry?
Nai, please.
Why you cry? Not be me do more.
I know it's not your fault, but you were the last person she offended before she fell ill. Please, Nai. We've stayed almost a month in the hospital before we came back here. All her service is finished, Nai. We can barely eat even. Please help us, Nai.
But you no go hungry. You no go hungry, Pakam.
What of my stepmom? What will she be eating?
What's the way you be like the shop? What want to put? And be like what the work of organize or something. You don't want to again?
Nai, please.
No cry. Get up.
Help us. That's the only way I can get up.
Okay, come.
Nai.
Go stay with them.
You're coming. Hey. Thank you, Nai. God bless you, Nai.
And they come down.
God bless you. Hey. Thank you.
Go. Your mama, Chukwu hotel. Na igebi. Ogumala. Now me and you there here now. I want the baby off. Finish him. Make I get chance to do it now. I want to. Make I take over everything. Because if you know the movie, I'm not going to do anything. Finish your work. You hear me? Ajiri joku tanga bapo mokanya. Amuno ebe. Nonya. I'm not saying when your husband don't give way, everything belongs to me. I hand you over to Magan. Change your memory card. Put my own memory card for inside them. Anything when you go do, when they talk, na me go they mention. Nonya belong to me. Na my wife from today. Clear road for me. Husband, I'm no husband. Hey, King. Get on. Nonya, hey, King. Kido non. Toye pu. Onye jigi. I lose anybody that's holding you. Nonya, you are my own. Now. Nonya, you are my own. Ebube Togo. This is the end. After this night, you will never have rest of mind until you leave here. Igbada, number 6 Mana Street. Apitang, Kirira fan. Apitangi, like Nama intestine. You don't have any other life to live. You finish it. I'll help you finish it. Go. Go. Go, everybody, go. 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 Leave. Go. Come out. Go. Nonye, here I come.
Abushiba, Otelebe, Otelezera, Bushina, Bushidinjo. Abushibotele, Otela Morato. Abushiba, Otelebe, Otelezera, Bushina, Bushidinjo. Abushibotele, Otela Morato.
What is this one? Afro Tuto, it cause conversion.
No, please don't let him touch me. Don't let him touch me, please. He wants to kill me. Look, now, if he kills me, I'll hold you responsible for my death. Please don't let him touch me.
Mama, no. Mama, don't worry. He means well. He means well.
No. Somebody help me. Somebody help. No, he wants to kill me. Somebody help me. Please. Somebody help me. Somebody help me. Oh, somebody.
Is she dead?
No. Die for it. She the craze. She will do like this for 12 hours. When she wake up, this belly will go down. Go well.
Nai, thank you very much. You're such a nice man.
Huh?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Fine girl. There.
Yes.
Beautiful girl. Come. Very sweet girl. I don't know what I'm going to do with this liability. What's wrong? Hey, look at them. See, that woman, no touch him.
Okay.
No touch him. No woman is sick. Till I come back, no touch him. No go there. Huh?
Okay.
I go bring something.
Okay.
Azuka!
Aki.
Azuka!
Aki.
Azuka! How many times I call you?
3 times.
Papa people talk say, ear when they hear something. When they cut head come out, that ear they follow head for. Abu say warusi na gije. Na shrine with the waka.
Aki, if you see me, if you see me near that man again, Aki, if I call you, no answer. Hey! Shireke. Like play like joke. You for hear say, Azuka don't turn cripple.
Ah! I hear him. That time one of the sing. Iwe. See! Carry fowl and goat. Go church, go do Thanksgiving. But I no go follow you go.
Aki, it surprise me say, how only one man, one person, will disturb the whole village. Hi! Before I forget, My mama talk say make I leave this village next week.
That means you won't do like Toro where they pour water. That one na coward. Where he be? He dey run because of Abushi.
Okay. You know say na me be the only son of my mama. I mean be the only pikin where my mama born. You be you get 4 brothers. 4 brothers. And you know that one. As I dey talk to you now, Anuka, the mama don't carry him. Come on for this village, kia. Because she no fit stay see her son become Imbe side. Imbe now. Hey.
That one is small thing now. See what thing they happen now. Another wahala day. You know Ebube, Aboshi's sister. Welcome back. Aboshi don't do Imbe, don't big.
Serious?
Frog we drink over water.
Hi. Nah, but I hear say that the girl where his sister bring come, get fine well.
Now he make her tell you now. Say that girl where Ebube bring. Aboshi do Ebube that thing, make him come out and follow them. Enter the girl.
Serious? Hi. Aboshi wicked though.
That's why they tell you this thing.
I go see you later.
Consider ya.
No, I dey come. I want go do something. My mama dey come for house.
Yeah. Aboshi, okay. Camelo pikin. Where they go now?
Okay. I did in a hurry. I'm not going to tell you now. So, now me you rub shoulder now.
What you do now?
You did do a me boy with my enemy, Abi. No worry. Ma pegara. Ala batani huga.
I will say, make I follow you now. Huh? Hey. Let me see, I don't enter. Azuka don't put me for problem. Azuka don't put me for problem. If I'm mad now, it was.
Come.
Okay.
No be Aboshi be that.
Aboshi na, he's in a hurry. Nah, fear don't they catch me. I wish he saying go do me madness. I don't do me.
Singapore, close them out. Who saying go do madness? Aboshi open him out saying go do madness. In the mad. For him to do you madness, Aboshi the mad. See, make I tell you, I won't give you this warning. Now carry this warning, go give Aboshi. No need for you to go, because if I give you this message now, fear no go let you go tell Aboshi. This is why they tell you. I go use my hand, my 2 legs, my 2 mouths, my 1 mouth, everything I get. Go take one Aboshi. Why Aboshi go open my talk saying go give you madness? In the mad. In fact, make I
wait. Another thing they grand now. Ebube. Belle don't big like this. Aboshi do. That's why me I dey fear. If I'm mad now, it don't finish for me.
You see? Ebube Belle? You know what's going to happen now? Now we be say the danger no day for house. I go one make we go. We could take our 2 eyes, go see him. Yeah? Yes, as danger no day for house now. We could take our eyes, go see him. Go.
Make I follow you.
Come, no fear.
It's over waiting talk. I know one mad though.
If you mad, no problem now. I will tell you. Ada?
We won't come see her Ebube there. You know, as me and na better people for this community. We can see whether we go fit do anything so that no go die.
You want to do it? You be God? You want to do something which you no go take die?
To help her, man.
No mind now. Why go to talk this kind of thing? I beg, she dey sleep. Oh, she don't die.
No, she's resting.
The rest. Make it no be like say you just talk her because of say you want make her mind sweet. Make we forgo. You should say she dey rest.
She's resting. Nna Tobias came and did something to her. He assured me that she's going to be okay.
Nna Goni.
Nna Tobias.
Apeshi.
Hey, I've never seen such a caring man in my life before. He took my stepmom's illness like it is. Hey, God will continue to bless that man. God will bless him.
It's alright. Then our prayer be that. You understand? We dey pray. make anything we go make her heal, make it heal. Now our prayer to that.
That's why we come here.
You go well. You get another important thing where carriers come. You understand? You see, Akiwe dey here now. In Mama they die. So now we can't talk. Say make we come. Make you forgive us. Akuku Olubu. The one we dey for Aboshi backyard. You understand? The way we take need the Akuku Olubu now, based on the thing they happen to him, Mama. Any amount of money where you open your mouth to talk, we'll carry and give you.
It's okay. As it is now, I need money badly. So what can you offer?
I will give you 1,000 naira.
1,000 naira.
Okay, let me go and get knife so I'll cut it for you.
In the bush.
Okay, let me just knife. It. I'm coming. Wait, please don't touch her. Ini Edo will not be happy.
Okay. Even the 1,000 when you talk, I go put something on top of the 1,000.
Let me go.
Yeah. If you finish, you don't come?
I don't die.
Abushiba, Otelebe, Otelezera Bushina, Bushidinjo, Abushibotele, Otela Muraka, 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 Abushiba, Otelebe, Otelezera Bushina, Bushidinjo, Abushibotele, Otela Muraka.
Hey, Dikeh, Akpati, coffee. But you didn't do me see. What's it coffee?
Ini Edo, what are you doing with the casket?
What about?
She was here. Just now, I left her here now.
What happened?
Some friends came here, Aki and Okota. I don't know, I left them here right now. I said let me go and block Peter leave.
Joshua making? Hey! Hey! Bros!
Idiot! You do not have to pay for Dori. Get Dori! Walk away. Oh, for Dori. Walk away. Oh, did you go?
What's wrong, Megan? What think they want the body to become? Huh? This Okote na idiot. This Okote. Don't try and not forget them. See, because I never get this man and they give me big worry. The best thing now to go report them to the elders. To tell them, say, they can't thief the body. No use.
The hand that afflicted her is very powerful. Why should a brother be so wicked? He used his dangerous charm to afflict her with this ailment.
Ah, you don't see road well. You be confirmed native doctor. This is what you talk now true.
She is supposed to be completely dead, but there's still an atom of life in her. I will hook up to that and bring her back to life and heal her. But it will cost you money.
Ha! Which money? Cost me which money? Eh? See, me I tell you, I don't even know this one way they talk. What is green bam what they do for this place? This person way is still like this now. Eh? This person is still like this. You don't spend all the whole money what she gets. She don't spend and finish. Now they talk say, shit, you know go see. Because me went there for this place now, we walk come this place. I don't even get. You see this save. I don't even get that. Bank, don't want the bank account where people they go put money inside bank. I don't even get the bank account. Let alone this one they call ATM. ATM. I don't even get that one though. You call that beginning talk say you want money. Shit. I don't even know whether they call you Ogwashuku. In fact, you go Ogwashintao. Whether they call you say Luku. I don't even know. Make I tell you what happen. My grandpapa will be your Ozala. Ozala tell me say make I come meet you. Say make I come meet you, they owe plenty favor. Say make I make me come this place. Now call my grandfather for me. Call her. That's me here.
Ozara Omenka. That was your grandfather?
My own grandfather.
He saved my life in Ukboji forest when I was beaten by a snake. But I have paid him back when I fortified you spiritually after bed.
You see?
Yes.
You fortified me?
Fortified you spiritually.
Wait. You mean say the time when they bomb me was small? You fortified me?
4 days after your grandfather saved my life, you were born. And I fortified you spiritually. And with that fortification, no mortar, I repeat, no mortar can ever kill you.
You don't talk. In fact, sorry for the intimidacy. Sorry in apology on the way. Sorry for intimidacy. See, in fact, Abushi dey trouble now. Where Abushi? Abushi! No, Abushi.
My fellow elders, I call this meeting in respect of New Year coming festival.
Bacon. I'm making my sister died this morning.
Oh.
I rush. May I go buy coffee? I go to prepare for the burial. As they come back, they don't thief the body. What? They say Aki and Okote go thief the body, they carry run. I never heard this one before. Now first time I hear them be this. Because Okote, Aki and Okote. Una go hear another one, no. Una go hear another one. I tell you now. I don't even know how they do.
I don't know, my fellow elders. I think there's a problem here. Is Aki and Okote into more rituals? Eh? It's abomination before the gods of the land.
Yes. You are saved now. But you must be fortified. The enemy is not resting. This is your blood. Do not underrate him. He has already taken your daughter.
I need one charm. Just one charm to use on him once.
One.
But only in self-defense.
You will get it. You will get it. But you use it only on self-defense.
Yes.
Why you not tell me, say, as they come now, say they in the fall? Where they don't want from? Waiting be the meaning of the rain. Anything they spoil? Anything they spoil? Tell me now. Huh? You don't know? Don't take me by surprise.
Baba Jebe, Agaracha must come back. Chiaka Bobodi Yok.
Yeah. Huh? Aggressive. What is it? Obilipo. My sister is really pushing me. Huh? It's really pushing me. What's they pushing me? I don't know whether the medicine we are doing, whether I go begin use that for spirit or being for anything. Huh? No! She's not a ghost! She only survived your attack!
You say that you know a ghost?
Yes!
But nobody don't ever survive Ogmaga. Tell you.
The only reason is that you have not brought my able disciple, Ogumagana, for me to feed with. Are you here with it?
Ogmaga?
Yes.
I'll not bring them home.
Huh?
I'll not bring them.
Huh? And why you take them easy? We didn't take them small. And why even in Rubioko? Why you?
More hot-tempered.
Why?
How can I be hot-tempered when he has my daughter? Even though your own daughter, won't you be angry?
Thank God, no one of my daughter. Thank God, it's not my daughter they keep. But you go take them easy. How about she go soon come now?
I will say.
How about she go soon come out?
No, yeah.
Thank God, it's not my daughter. Why you? How about she got put?
No, yeah.
Why you?
You survive him?
You thought I would die, Yakuya? You thought I would die?
You survive him?
Kefilo.
You survive him?
Kedifilo.
Osula! Oh man! Ah! No more dialogue! Oh man!
You manka ozo.
see Abushi fall for ground.
Can you begin at work? Hey, boom. You kill me, woman. Why Dikeh will kill me.
Why you can't decrease? Why you decrease? Get on one. Where is Nonya? Watch him. Watch him. Watch him.
Oh, no, you're
a very wicked man.
Oh my God, I'm boy. Oh, I told you that story.
This fight has to stop. Abese is stuck in this village forever. The city rejected him very long ago. Nanyadam. I am here today to give you this advice because Abese is not at home. Leave your daughter for him. By the time he's tired of her, he will release her like he released other girls. Home off. Come, Nife. Come, Kugweba. If you choose to stay here and fight, you might end up being killed, and that will make him the victor. I suggest you go back to the city and rebuild your life. And one more thing, don't come back to this village if Abese does not die. He is nobody's friend.
See, you see that creature? Nenya. This thing has been tormenting my life since. I've tried to kill it twice and it just disappears. The last time I tried, that is when my problem started. Can you differ bifenka?
Ilo. Kivilo.
You see what I said? It has just disappeared. If I come out and I ever.
Ebube, I will not say anything about this here and now. Come to my house in the evening and we'll talk about it.
Ilo.
Okote.
I was by appointment.
Yeah, Kaina.
Ilo also go by appointment. Kaina.
No, that isn't. You will come back.
Yeah, I'll come back. Just stay well. Ilo.
Quodios, Rose, Muffos. Ilo. Tell him. Wait for me.
Okote. Listen very well. The story of Ugumagala, as told by my father, was so chilling. It is like a man putting his soul in an animal. What it means is that the man is the animal and the animal is he. In other words, it means a man existing in two places at a time. The animal is a powerful juju, prepared with the blood and soul of the man. Okote, according to my father, it is only one man that prepares that juju. Only one man called Obrigbo. Ofiya kona sonson.
See, make I tell you, he don't stay for naught before. Most of us will be say we get opportunity to go holidays for not that time. You get within outside people they call Inarua Angulo the Baba. You understand? All this is where they talk, you know, concern me. If they talk story of what your papa tell you, talk am with muscle. No, they talk like say they fear. See the way they tell me something, they panic as if say person they pursue you. Talk am with fear so that the one you go transfer and give your picking them, you go tell them as your papa tell you, not be with fear. Anyway, make I go Eke. Huh? Most of my fellow drinkers now go to that place now. Wait for me. Make I go follow them drink. It's alright. Yeah, if you can quit your drinking habit, it will be better for you. Hey! Abose.
Ilo.
Abose.
Ibo yelo.
Mba mala nama. Si sototo.
Una take risk. Do you hear me, so? Ilo. Enago.
Abose biko mala nama.
Ilo.
Abose ago ni me do ndozo. Mala nama. Hey! Abose.
Abushiba, Otelebe, Otelezera Bushina, Bushidinjo, Abushibotele, Otela Muraka, Abushiba.
Answer me! No matter I told you. I go to first. What is your problem? Who chopped that meat?
I ate more from it.
You do it? Kneel down. Kneel down. Hey! The way they call your mama, you don't ever kill any bush meat for you. Open the lunch!
I just need to ate from it.
You squeeze the whole lunch. Tell me say you chop small. Huh? You don't know me where. Now your torture start. Now here you go stay. I go torture you so till you commit suicide. Here, whatever. No move. Here. No one. No, I can't move.
The heart of man is
This what they said.
I will not go there.
Yeah?
I won't go there.
No, my leg no go touch that place. I will say that pastor now go agree come our house. Go do this thing.
It's always tight. I'm not paying again.
You know say na enemy, na him kill Ilo. The enemy know say Ilo know everything about the chameleon. Na him can go kill Ilo. But see, before Ilo die, Ilo tell me everything about the chameleon.
Are you sure?
I don't lie for you before. I know everything. See, I know would like talk the thing for here now. You know, so this leaf, then get here, they're here, and people sabi pass this road. Make we go one secret place that I go tell on everything about the chameleon.
Thank you. Make I tell you. No doubt, onye can mother carry there. No fear. But I warn you, I don't set web. No go fall inside that web. If you do nonsense, you'll fall into that web. Just do your thing as I come out. I'll come back when I finish something.
Okay, nice.
Anybody when you look for your trouble, let me know. Fine girl. What's going on? I'll still come back. Oh my dear. Fine girl.
Take care of yourself now.
I will.
Go well.
Thank you, my dear.
Thank you, my love.
Mwabo. Ebobe. Mwabo wanyi nganga. Kabu si nesi anya we chiono nani. Obarulu. There's no point in my staying back in this village. I have to leave. Obarulu.
Hey, baby, we just see where that soldier they go walk. Nana.
Does that stop him from knowing what is happening in the compound? I am tired. Only Anoa has won the battle. Only we got the war. Eh? He even has my own daughter. Kefi, there's no point. Let me leave the village.
Pardon, you're not supposed to give up like this now. How you just give up so easily? Eh? You see this city where they go now. Now what make us come? Person where they go city supposed to hold small money for pockets. You understand? So now we can't talk. Say even if not to look for small thing where you go to do, we go to generate money for you.
See, if na akara, you fry you go make money well. If na grass, you weed them. It's not all the uproot cassava. You go to do na.
Plenty things there where you go fit take make money. By the time you start work, you come out early, go work in the they can't come back. Late for night, for night. This idiot no go see you. You no go see idiot. You understand?
Make quite sense.
You go make sense.
Let me put my bag.
Drop her.
If it happen.
Close and well.
No worry. I'm at house now. So, waiting. They go now.
Okay.
They go.
You know, I tell you, say make you come up to discuss something we concern this work. You know this man will get money for this our community. Waiting with this man name again. Chief Ebube. You know say Chief Ebube, his wife die.
You don't die?
You know go know now because you know they around since. So as his wife die, nobody they cultivate the land. So now you can say make we look for person where people go to cultivate the land. And you know say na rainy season we dey. Yes. And na farming season too. So we go start to work for that place so that we go generate money. By the time you hold plenty money for your pocket, you go city. You go get enough money where you go take balance. You got that? Anyhow where the money take, we go the manager like that. I mean?
Yeah. You go cool down the duam.
But it makes sense. What you're saying makes sense.
Not to say from city come.
No, it's okay. No, I am calm.
By the time you start this work now, you see this one, this useless man where they call himself Abushi. Abushi no go see you. Because if we come out work for money, work. Evening time, we come back, you bath, eat, sleep. He no go see you.
It's true.
You understand?
Our time.
You need one more bottle.
Hey! But this one is enough.
You do okay. You know say now after 1 or 2 liquor, you get enough power to walk.
See, as you don't follow us like this, be say, we dey take past 1 bottle. So you go to take more than 1 so that when you go walk, then go to send a machine do am.
Let the body get used to it first, eh? One at a time.
Who be us?
Okay, you know say the drink pass too. I him carry award though. I him be champion for he get the land for drink.
Why, Oma? Good. This I hope these idiots don't come out.
Early momo.
Early momo.
Since early morning.
Okay.
He left.
Also, Dikeh, I say make I ask you this question. I hope so you know they think they bother your head over this useless man. You don't stop to think.
What do you expect me to do? When every night you hear my daughter groaning under that man. Hi.
Is it?
The mere thought of it, Che.
Is it again? Every night you hear your daughter. Wait to one woman. I know you're a good woman. You mean say for night instead of where you go sleep for night, you will name watch a night. Now again, go they listen to how your pikin they cry under a bus.
Do you know the one that pains me the most? Every time he goes out and I go to his house to talk to my daughter, she won't even answer me. She will lock up the whole place. When he's not around, I mean, this is slavery now. This is the highest level of slavery.
Leave her. My mama, leave her. Make I ask you a question. You won't die? Ugumagli. Since I don't come here, I tell you, say, make you give me water. Water you no give me. Come up at home.
Water? You want to drink water? With immediate effect.
Give me today water. Don't give me yesterday water.
Fill the cup with water. Can't keep trying on. Can't keep trying. I want to try to quick. Really?
You get more oil. You get plenty oil. Bam!
Who they hold my soul? Emechie m ọrụ. Ana. Hey. Hey. You can't see Cotero. What
is it? What is it? What's your problem? You always...
Ivonum. Ebu. William.
Okay, remember. Mama.
Mama. Mama, what are you doing? Mama. Hey.
You see what happened? You see what happened? The moment the rope cut come off her neck, now she get herself. How?
So bottom father. Father.
What you say you this man has been using you. Yes! He has been sleeping with you, he has been beating you, he tied you up like a slave. He has been a bad man.
Nobody say you make me mad.
Oh good.
So you know me.
No. Father.
Let me see who will help you this week. Both walking and wine. Let us see how popular you are. You this man. Don't even touch me. You. God will punish you. God will punish you. If you know how he treated you,
I go talk automatic now cry. Everybody for this village go here say Abushi now. Small pikin dey flog you, they cry like Ogumaga. Abushi lele. He dey cry like Ogumaga. Abushi. Flog him. Beat him. I go tell everybody for this village. The greatest juju man, Abushi. Small pikin dey flog you now. Small pikin now dey flog you. Everybody for this town, when I go hear that.
This man is still lying here. What is it? What do you want?
Wicked man.
Leave me here. I'm gonna take me to Father. We're gonna call Father for me because
Father. Father can never do that. Even the priest will not even answer your call. So it's better you die quietly. We throw you inside the evil bush, evil forest. Rich. It's again.
That's where you belong. Hey! You better rot in hell, that's where you should be.
Piano! Please, you need to be a witness. Now, put on with Nine. Give me.
Call me bastard. Every day I'm gonna kick him from this village. Huh? Not only enough for this village, we're gonna beat everybody. Which kind of man be that?
Oh, no, Batano! Now we shall look at Pano! Hey! Hey! I jump my dad. The evil man is dead. It's what? It's not possible. What is that about right there?